In this video we will discuss about the Oppo Find X5 Lite price in Bangladesh in BDT 50,000 expected. Oppo Find X5 Lite is powered by MediaTek MT6877 dimensions 905G chipset, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. The Oppo Find X Lite runs out of the box on Android 11. The Oppo Find X Lite smartphone comes with an 6.43 inches display, 64 megapixel and 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear cameras, 32 megapixel selfie camera and a 4500 mAh non-removable battery. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone display quality is was excellent. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone has a big panel 6.43 inches AMOLED competitive touchscreen display. The display has 409 ppi density, 20:9 aspect ratio, 88.3% screen and point ratio. The resolution of the Oppo Find X5 Lite display is 1080 by 2000 pixels. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone has a 90Hz refresh rate display. The Oppo Find X5 Lite display looks really big and bright. It is almost a bezel-less display. It's a full display panel with a waterproof notch selfie camera. The Oppo Find X5 Lite has a really large smartphone with a big display panel to do any multitask easily. The design of the Oppo Find X5 Lite looks really good and shiny. The dimension of the Oppo Find X5 Lite are 160.6 multiply 73.2 multiply 7.8 mm, and the full weight of this smartphone is 173 grams. Oppo Find X5 Lite has a quad rear camera setup with a rectangular design on the left side. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone comes in two beautiful colors, straight black, straight blues. The Oppo Find X Lite build quality and design. The corporate has done a good job. The camera has a triple rear setup, 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro rear cameras. And Oppo Find X5 Lite used a 32 megapixel wide camera sensor for the selfie camera. Software and processor. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone comes with the latest Android 11 with a customer Color OS 12 for the operating system. The Oppo Find X5 Lite uses the hottest MediaTek chipset processor. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone run with the MediaTek MT68 Dimensity 905G. The storage and battery. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone comes with one variant of internal storage. It has 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of. The Oppo Find X5 Lite has the best battery life. The battery of this smartphone comes with non-removable. The Oppo Find X5 Lite has 65-watt fast charger support and reverse charging. Oppo Find X5 is advertised to achieve the 100% charging in only 31 minutes. Features and connectivity. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone is a new Find series, little expensive smartphone. The Oppo Find X Lite smartphone comes with all latest and the fastest connectivity. The Oppo Find X5 features its own custom colors, 12s. The Oppo Find X5 Lite smartphone will have the latest dual band Wi-Fi 802.11. This smartphone has 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G network technology. And this smartphone comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor position, and it also has an accelerometer gyro. The smartphone also comes with many more features. What are the reasons to buy this phone? The Oppo Find X5 Lite has the latest Android, the best battery life, a large display, comes with various sensors, latest and fast connectivity storage, MediaTek MT6877 Dimensity 900 5G chipset, octa processor, 5G network technology. This device has Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11 and more. All of these features Oppo offers with only BDT 50,000 taka expected. Pros of this Oppo mobile phone: Dimensity 900 5G chipset, 6.3 inches big display, 64 triple cameras, good battery life. And the cons of this mobile phone: it doesn't have FM radios, it does not have a temperature sensor, average selfie camera.